Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. In this quick tip video, I want to talk to you about safety. I guess it's really headlight safety. A lot of the S and V70 cars built between 97 in Europe, 98 in the US, 99 and 2000 has poor quality headlights, or headlights that are actually damaged. If you look at this car right here, as you can see in behind the glass is very dull. This reflector right here is used to project the light out onto the street. If you look at this one here on this side, it looks relatively shiny and possibly newish. It has a reflector that is in good shape, and it will reflect a good light beam out onto the street. Whereas this one here and this one here are damaged, deteriorated, and are no longer functioning. I have seen a car, I'll show you this little example, where the light was on. You come out here and you see the headlight bulbs, but you look 2 or 3 feet in front of the car and it's projecting no light on the street. Here's an example of these headlights being super dim and basically worthless. As you can see, both of these headlights are illuminated, but when you look on this wall in front of me, you can see the driver's side one, but you can't see the passenger side one projecting any light out at all. It's just sitting there glowing and serves no purpose. So that's an example of a bad headlight assembly. What you need to do is, one, you need to get good headlights from somewhere. Buy them new off of some website, or find some good ones off of a used car, maybe at the salvage yard or somewhere that's going to get parted out. Now, your third option is get what we call jewels. Jewels came on 2003 and 2004 C70s. They have a much better light beam that casts out onto the street, and those lights are 9 times out of 10 great shape. They have better light bulbs in them, and they cast a good beam out on the road. So if you have poor lighting on your Volvo, I'm going to encourage you to get some good lights. I believe this is a good one here. You could get good ones off of a C70. I believe I have one. You could buy brand new ones. But you want to do something about that poor lighting. You want to be able to see on the road at night, especially when it's raining. Hope you take that quick tip and do something about your poor lighting. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.